Hello, third graders. Today we're going to be doing lesson 14.5 on units of mass in the metric system, okay? So we did ounces and pounds the other day, and so today we're going to be doing grams and kilograms. And this is another day that it's really hard that we're not together, because if we were together, I would pass around this tiny little disc that only weighs 1 gram. Then if you take 1,000 of these grams that are kind of like light as a feather, and you put them together, then they equal this kilogram. And so it would really be a lot better if you guys could feel the difference between the gram and the kilogram, but unfortunately, we are not together today, and that makes me really sad. So anyway, we have the gram. Here's our gram, and then you take 1,000 of these little lightweight baby grams to make the kilogram. All right, so let's look at our guided practice. So it says 1 through 4, circle the better estimate for each. So number 1 is a nickel. Do we think a nickel would only be 5 grams or 5 kilograms? Exactly, 5 grams. I would not want to carry around a nickel that weighed this much. Weighed 5 of these, no thank you. That'd be 5,000 grams. No thank you. All right, now, if we had a little dog, now, a way to think about this, in the United States, we use pounds to weigh ourselves. In other countries, they use kilograms. So when we think about kilograms, we can think about pounds. And actually, if we weigh about, let's say 100 pounds, we'd weigh about 50 kilograms. So it sounds like we weigh less, but we really don't weigh less, okay? So if we have number 2, a little dog, would a dog just weigh like, 40 little feathers, like really light? Or would a dog probably weigh like 4 of these kilograms? You guessed it, 4 kilograms. Good. All right, sunglasses. Now, again, I wish y'all could feel this because this is really heavy. So think, would you want to wear sunglasses on your face that was like really heavy? Or would you prefer some lightweight sunglasses that only weigh 16 grams? Me too. I would pick the 16 grams. All right, an envelope. Now, an envelope, think about how light an envelope is. Do you think an envelope would probably be this light, just like, 1 little gram? Or would it be 70 of these grams? Yep, right again, just 1. Yeah, probably just 1 gram. All right, now, on number 5, it says, in the example on page 802, so remember back in the video, there are 10 weights on the balance. Why is the apple not 10 grams? Well, if you think back to the video, were they all the same size? No, They were different size weights, and so that's why it did not equal the 50 or the 50 grams, or 10 grams, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. And then you can do this on number 6. If you may not have a pan balance at home, but you might have a scale. Find an object that you think has a mass more than a kilogram and another that has a mass of less than a kilogram. Then use a pan balance to see if you are correct. So if you happen to have these at home, go for it. But if you don't, just put an X through it and put skip like we've done before in class. On the independent practice, on 7 through 18, you're going to circle the better estimate for each one. And then again, on the back, you do need to do number 23 because it has a little star by it. Then you can pick one other problem to solve. And again, you can always do all the problems, but you don't have to. You only have to do number 23, and then you just pick one other one. Okay, so as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.